Westermans here with another load arriving. Welding rotators and positioners. Just being lifted up with Roy, our friendly hiab man, until our new extension's built, where we can of course use the overhead crane. TWS do the transport, and that's Roy standing there. Thank you for looking. These will be for sale on our website shortly. I believe one is a 120 ton set of conventional rotators built to spec. Obviously more photographs available online and more details. We also, to the addition of new machines, is a larger positioner with a hole through. I believe 600mm in diameter hole through with a self-centering chuck. On that, more details can be seen on westermans.com. Thank you for looking. More details to follow.